Hello everyone, my name is Nigel McNeil. I am part of the University of Victoria's Community Mapping class, and I just wanted to make a how-to video on how to use MapWarper. MapWarper is a tool that uses historical images and aerials, and you can overlay them onto current base maps, just to show kind of the extent and their position back in their earlier time periods. So if I type in MapWarper here on Google, and I press enter, I will be directed to this first link here, MapWarper ;home. From here, I can actually create maps. So you'll want to log in up here. I already have, using my own personal account. And once you've logged in and created an account, you're going to want to click Upload Map. From here, you can create a title for your map. Let's say, I want to map. The description can be whatever you want, information specifically about your project, as I placed in here. Oops. And from here you can place in metadata about the image you're wanting to create. Once you've filled in all of that information, you can upload the image itself by clicking this Choose File button here. From here you can access anywhere on your computer. I'm going on my desktop, and I'll be clicking on, let's say for example, this one here. So now I'm going to wait a few seconds to make sure it's uploaded correctly. Just give it a few seconds to really work out the bugs, and then I'm going to press create. It looks like this file name is already in use. I want to map, so I'm going to say I want to map UVic test run. And now we can press create again to ensure that we've created our map. So once you have created or uploaded your map, I'm just going to go to one of mine here. You're going to want to click rectify. And so rectify is essentially where you're going to be creating your image so that it lines up perfectly with current day maps, as seen here and here. To start picking points, you essentially will be wanting to pick points or pixels that are as close, if not the exact same, as the ones onto the current map. So if you click this little add control point button here on either side, you can zoom in on your map, find a location that you know is similar, like so. Let's find this here. Let's go bottom side of Victoria, James Bay. So if I go into there and I go into here, depending on the resolution of your image, it'll be harder to determine the exact location. But let's take Clover Point here, for example. Let's go back to our control point button. And if I click on the point here and the very point here, and I click add control point, this is now selected as 0.6, as I already have a couple. And you want to get at least more than 5, just to ensure that the georeferencing, as it's called, or the conversion of the resolution of your image to the resolution of your base map is the exact same. So once you have more than 6, you're basically done. You can then click preview, and it'll show you that your image has now lined up with the original base map seen today. You can then use this transparency slider to phase in and out of the new image to the original base map, this giving you a very accurate representation of your data onto a current base map. From here you can export your map to be used on Google Earth and other things like that, OpenStreetMap editor, as well as you can review your metadata and showcase your map to other people on the website. This is very cool in terms of our project, as we were mapping the historical context and location of coastal Douglas fir ecosystems on the south side of Vancouver Island, as seen here. I hope this tutorial was very helpful, and enjoy your mapping experience. Thank you, and have a great day.